What is up, guys? We are back with another video. Now, WWDC just happened. Apple talked about a lot of different things, but there was only one thing that I was interested in, and that was iPadOS 16. All right. You guys know that I strictly run an iPad for all of my daily activities, surfing the web, running this channel, and so forth. Don't have a PC and I don't have a laptop. I only run an iPad, right? And the feature that they actually brought out was something that I've been waiting for the iPad for a long time, and that was external display support. So currently on the iPad, when you plug it in, you get the black bars on the side, and you just basically mirroring what the iPad has on the screen, but you get the black bars, right? The nasty black bars. Well, in iPadOS 16, they fixed that. Once you plug it in, it doesn't just mirror the actual screen. It gives you full, range to use the external display just like you would if you was plugging in your laptop, man. So I think that's a great look for iPadOS 16 and for the iPads. But the only thing that is really kind of bothering me is the fact that they're only pushing it to the M1 iPads. At least that's what they're saying right now. So if you're like me and you don't have a M1 version of the iPad, it seems like we're going to be without that feature. So when iPadOS 16, we may not be able to take advantage of that external display support. We may still have the old style with the black bars and so forth. Now, for me personally, I think it is a reason to upgrade if you don't have an M1. I think that feature alone is one feature that if you don't have an M1 iPad that you should upgrade for. All right. Me personally, I'm probably going to wait until iPadOS 16 come out. I'll just make sure that they don't push it to the older iPads, because Apple sometimes, they may just decide like at the last minute, let's just give it to a few of the older models, just a handful, right? And because I feel like that's something that they may do, I'll probably wait until iPadOS 16 come out, run it for about a month or so on my iPad before I actually upgrade to the M1. That's if it doesn't come down to any of the older models. But right now, it's only for M1, right? But that is one thing that I wanted to kind of just bring to you guys' attention for all of us older iPad users or non-M1 iPad users. If you want to take advantage of that external display support, seems like we are going to have to upgrade our device. So should you upgrade? Yes, for that external display support. I think that's the one feature and the one feature alone that you should upgrade for if you run an iPad for all of your activities and you are like me, a diehard iPad user with no PC, none of that other stuff, man, and you running the iPad strictly. That is the one feature that I think that everybody should upgrade for. Now, there's a handful of other features that came out of iPadOS 16. I won't touch on those, but they are some cool features. But that external display support is the main one for me that I wanted to give to you guys. So all in all, I just wanted you guys to know that, just to give you that update. So if you don't have the M1 iPad, just expect to not have the external display support. All right. Should you upgrade? Yes. So if you found this video to be helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.